Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. In this video, I will show how to get copyright free background music for YouTube videos. There are many process and there have a lot of website you can use copyright free music, but this is problem. Sometimes you get copyright, so I can show you actual website. I can introduce this website. This is best free copyright free background music for your YouTube videos. So let's go. First of all, we can visit our YouTube channel. Okay, so I can visit my YouTube channel. This is my channel Janinfo, and this I will start newly. So if you help me, please subscribe my channel, and I will start early. So first of all, I visit my Janinfo channel and click customize channel. Okay, this is the first way to collect free copyright audio. So I visit my YouTube channel and click customize channel, and you can see audio library. Yeah, this is the option of audio library, and click here. You can see there are a lot of music, and this is the totally copyright free, and you can use any video to use it. There is no copyright. This is totally free, copyright free YouTube music, and I can use, and you can use any music, and you can see download option. Just download and use it. Okay, this is the first way to use copyright free music. This is 100% real copyright free music. Okay, so and you can now I will share two website YouTube background. First of all, pixel.com. Yeah, you can see some of videos, and as you wish you can search here. So I can search any video, just water, and enter here. You can some of videos very nice and high resolution video, and this is totally copyright free. Okay, just you can click here any video and free download. Just download and use it. There is no copyright. And second website is pixabay.com. Okay, you can see this is the best website, and most of the people use this website, pixabay.com. I personally use it, this website, and I suggest you use this website, just pixabay.com. There is a 15,000 plus image plus video, and here you can see photos, illustration, vectors, videos, music, sound effect. So I can collect only one video. So just click videos. Okay, you can here a description box, and I search water. Okay, water, and enter here. We can some moments, so you can some videos water, and this is totally copyright free. Okay, so I can collect this video, just free download. You can see free download, and download it and use YouTube background music. So I hope you are better understand how to get copyright free background music for YouTube videos. Guys, that's all. This is Janinfo. If you don't subscribe my Janinfo channel, please subscribe my Janinfo channel and get more information. I will upload there a lot of video, YouTube tips and tricks and technology tips